So we got this Ducati with almost 2400 miles, and when you start it, it makes this noise. You can hear it. Not sure what it is. It's almost like a brand new Ducati, and I'm wondering if this noise is normal. Not sure, but it even looks like when you turn it off, it does the same thing. And it looks like the noise is coming from here. Not sure if it's the clutch.